I was diagnosed with rectal cancer in January of 2011. My world had stopped for that moment. The first thing you think about is, I'm gonna die. And there began a journey of my life forever changing. After visiting with the doctors at the cancer center, I was absolutely assured that I could stay in my local community and receive the very best care that I possibly could receive.
I recall, Shelia being young and having a new diagnosis was very anxious, as you would expect.
Shelia had a lot on her plate with her job, her family.
My family is my lifeline. And my husband, who I love very dearly, is my rock.
When your partner in life has challenges, you step up and you just kind of really have to ask yourself, okay, what's next and how can we fix it?
I don't know if I could have mentally gone through this experience without having the emotional support of the doctors, the nurses, everybody at the cancer center.
Particularly in a case like Shelia with rectal cancer, she needs several physicians and allied health professionals, nurses, etc., all taking care of her.
The people at the cancer center truly give you that comprehensive feel of taking care of you. They were able to bring together a group of nurses and doctors and people to care for individuals like myself and make them feel like they were the only person that was receiving care. I think that's a phenomenal experience.
I'm their cheerleader, I'm their social worker, sometimes just to be there and listen because it makes a difference in my life, and I hope that it makes a difference in theirs.
You want to treat every patient as you would your own family member.
Seeing Shelia today was great. I think it's been almost 2 years that we've seen her.
There are no words that I can ever say that shows the gratitude that I have to be able to be here today and be with my family and hopefully see all the important milestones in the lives of my children. I am what a survivor looks like. I think I'm that person. And I am forever grateful to each and every one of them that was in my path that helped me get here. For me to be able to say that I am a survivor, that's an awesome feeling.